ahead and take 2 cards out of the deck here. Cool. So go ahead and read off those cards that you got.
6 and 1.
6 and 1. Come up here, play a game with Chris. We're gonna play a real fun game of audience sound effects. I'm gonna go into my car, right? So I'm gonna pull first my keys out of my pocket. Yeah, there we go. So my keys are in my hand right now, and I'm gonna open the door of my car. There we go. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Oh, yeah, it auto locks. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the key in my ignition and turn the ignition on. Oh, it's gonna be a lot of fun. You're gonna do this great. This is So real quick to get these players started, can I get a suggestion of a place with a lot of expensive equipment?
Home Depot.
What was that?
Home Depot.
Home Depot. So players, you're gonna be, your suggestion is Home Depot, with Chris here playing all your sound effects. Are you ready?
Yes!
Begin!
Leroy, check this out. Huh? Could you pull up your jaw for a second and check this out? You sound like Droopy Dog. I'm sorry, man. Make that noise that you make when you see a hot dame.
Oh.
Hey, anyways, we got the big nail gun Olympics coming up, as well as the other departments. So I just thought now would be a good opportunity for me to test out the 960 XD. Man, you just... Is that Mr. McDermott? I think he was. Did he see us on the closed caption camera?
I see you guys. I see you right there.
He's working. I swear to God, he's working. I don't know which camera he's on. They're all rotating. I can hear him turning.
Get back to work, stacking all those heavy things.
We'll do, Mr. McDermott. Come on, man. Stop messing around.
Grab the forklift.
Good.
Hey, lift me up on the forklift. Hold on, I'm gonna duct tape the camera. Hold on. All right. This electrical duct tape is crazy. Watch it, it goes right back in. I think I taped the camera he was watching.
I swear, that duct tape makes the wheels.
Why can't I see anymore?
Adjust that. Those fired off a little bit.
Yeah, there's some weird delay going on here. Come on, man, just get on the fork.
All right.
I'm sorry. You know what? That's too dangerous. Just, yeah, you're looking.
Oh no. I think I hear my defibrillator alarm.
Just take it easy, man. Take it easy. Here, I got some epinephrine.
And as always, for playing, Chris gets a ticket to come back whenever